The 2015 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, tow hitch, stability control, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless entry, floor mats, four-wheel drive, premium sound system, universal garage door opener, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.